So today I'm going to show you how to add money into your Cash App savings account. So we're actually here on our Cash App account in real time, so you can follow along step by step. And from this main page, we want to go to the bottom left-hand side of our screen. Currently, you can see for us, it says $20. Yours might not have any money, and if it doesn't have any money, it will show a little bank icon. So we're going to go ahead and click right over here. And this is going to take us to our money section of the page. And real quick, as we go on, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to continue to help us make more free content just like this. All right, so from here, you're going to see where it says your savings over here on the left-hand side of the screen here. So we're going to click on this section. You can see currently it shows $0. We set ourselves a little goal here. And from this section, we want to go ahead and click on transfer in. Now for us, as our example here today, we're going to have that money pulled from our actual money that's sitting in our bank account with Cash App. Now, if we choose a denomination that has more than what we have in our account, it will pull from your bank on file, which stick around. I'll show you how to go ahead and add a bank on file. So for example here today, we're going to leave it at that $10 and click on continue. It's going to do a little Face ID here for us, and then it's just going to verify for us. And you can see here at the bottom, it's going to ask us where we want to pull from. So we could pull from our balance, or we can pull from an account on file for us right over here. So now that we have our cash balance account that we want to pull from, we're going to hit transfer $10. And just like that, that money went right into our savings account. And then we can actually earn an APY on that if we have a direct deposit set up, which you could do right over there. And like I mentioned, I'm going to want to show you how to go ahead and add a card on file so you can pull from there to your Cash App savings if you'd like. And that video will be right over here on screen for you to keep on learning.